I'm showing you cold pressed, unrefined, extra virgin coconut oil. Thanks to the brand for sending me this sample so I could try it out and show you and make this video. Coconut oil's got a lot of uses. It is great for moisturizing your skin and your hair. It's nourishing for your scalp, and it conditions and detangles. It makes an excellent hair mask. When it's massaged into the skin, it feels soft and smooth and hydrated. You can remove your makeup with it and use it for cooking and baking. This is vivanaturals extra virgin coconut oil, and I use coconut oil in cake mix. So I'm going to put together a cake mix and you can see how I do it. This is what it looks like, and it has solidified because it's cooler than 77 degrees. My cake mix requires 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, but I use coconut oil. Ever since we found out how bad for us the vegetable oil is a few years ago, I've used coconut oil. I need 3 eggs and a cup of water. So I have my ingredients all ready. Here's my coconut oil in the bowl, and then I'm going to put my 3 eggs in, and I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Add my water, then I'll open the cake mix. So that's all of my ingredients. So I'm just mixing it up, and then I'll put it in a baking dish. I'm just baking the cake in a pan like this. So I'll just let it run the amount of time it says to let the mixer mix it up. Then I will bake it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Substituting coconut oil for the vegetable oil doesn't hurt it a bit. It makes it better. Here's a piece of the cake that I baked with coconut oil. So you can see it still rises just like it would with the vegetable oil. And the taste is not affected. This is a German chocolate cake. So it had coconut in the icing, but the cake does not taste like coconut. No more than putting vegetable oil in makes it taste like vegetables. It just doesn't. So that's how it turned out. If you don't like coconut oil, it's not going to make it taste like coconut. Just use the same amount in a recipe that calls for vegetable oil or butter. Use the same amount of coconut oil and it'll turn out fine. So if you're still using vegetable oil, but you want to improve your health, you might like to try coconut oil. You can judge it for yourself.